Hello.
Hello, Bharat.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. So, actually, this week it's full like Ganesh Chaturthi it is.
Yeah,
Yeah, actually, we also having a colony Ganesh. So I thought of actually not taking class total week, but I need to complete the syllabus also, right?
yeah, but you can change the timing like morning or evening.
Hmm. Morning, no, morning I have to go to college, right? Evening only, like they will call for the puja and all those.
Okay,
Yeah, that is the problem. And Nimajjanam is on like Tuesday, I guess. So
okay,
till that we have to check once how it goes everything.
okay,
Yeah, but anyhow, one or two classes I will be taking, 2 to 3 class.
Hello, Vic.
Yes, sir.
See, in this week already, today is Wednesday, right? So Thursday, Friday, those 2 days you can schedule in our morning time.
Morning, as
Where,
in
morning, early morning, he will be available. Like 6 o'clock or 5:30 also he will be available. That will be evening for him. No?
okay, 5:30.
Yeah, 5:30 also fine. Uh, hello.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Bharat, may I know your time zone?
yeah. Right now for me it's like 8:47.
Sorry. So you are in Central or Eastern time zone? 7:45 or 8:45? Sorry,
Five.
for you 5 now.
No, 8:40. Yeah, for me it's 8:45.
45, 8:45. Oh, 8:45 or
It's CST.
CST. Okay, 5:30 will be 7 p.m. for you. You will be available,
Yeah,
right? 7 p.m. CST.
yeah. I can make.
Okay. Vivek, 5:30 is fine for him, or 6 o'clock also fine.
Yeah, that is correct, sir. Like in the morning itself, I have college. I have to get ready for that. That is a problem because it is a 2 to 2.5 hour journey in the bus journey. I should go to that college.
Or you can make in our early evening time.
Yeah, yeah. Like I reach here by 5:36 like that. Okay, no problem. I will check if I'm available. I will take on this time only.
Basically, okay,
For
chalo, continue your session. I will call you back. Once you done the session, then I will give you a call.
okay, sure, sure, Jay. So Bharat, last time what we have learned?
Last time.
Any idea?
Yeah,
You said you are going to install Eclipse.
yeah. I did it.
You did it, and have you tried anything on that? You're getting any errors?
No, I didn't do, but I was trying to do something. Yeah, yeah. We were last time it was like servlets, right? We were talking.
Yeah, yeah, correct, exactly. We are talking
Yeah,
about serverlets.
yeah.
So, so what you understood by serverlets?
Like servlet is like an API.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay, fine. Today we will be learning few more things about serverlets. So I told you about life methods about serverlets, right?
yeah.
Have you remembered anything in that scenario?
You said what? You said life methods?
Life
No.
cycle. Yeah, life cycles. So today we are going to see about life cycles.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just sharing my screen and then yes. So you can able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Hmm. And then notepad. Today it is 31st today. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it is 30 is already done. This I don't want. Don't save. And this also no need. 28th one we have not saved. Saved, right? So hmm. Is my screen is visible perfectly?
Yeah.
Hmm. So today it is day 31st. Yeah. So today we are going to see about more details in servlets.
Mm-hmm.
Servlet life cycle we are going to see cycle. Life cycle. So what is the meaning of this servlet life cycle? Let's understand each and everything. Now I will take a help of paint here once. Now see here for example this is hmm, yeah. So this is a client. So what is the meaning of client? I told earlier also. It is a browser. Whenever we request
Yeah.
something like a login page, so this is a client. This is client. Okay. So from here, whenever we go, we just try to explore something or try to browse something. We do click links, right? So
Mm-hmm.
how that links get responded or how the link get the response how we get that is from a server, right? Whenever you
Server.
just
Yeah.
yeah exactly. So here it is server. So in this in our Eclipse, what is the server we are using? Have you remembered that name?
Tomcat.
Exactly, yes. It is Apache Tomcat. So
Yeah.
for example, here from here, if there is a request, I'm just sending a request. So what is the meaning of this request means? Anything it can be.
Mm-hmm.
Anything in the sense, for example, if you wanted to log in into the page, okay. So you will be sending this here one request. Yeah, you just I click on the link or anything. You will type it. Now, for example, what we will type here is mm, here. If you type here slash login, okay. So, for example, if you wanted to log in here, yeah.
Mm.
So once you wanted to check this login, yeah. So when you wanted to log in this, what happens? Yeah, the moment you log in, yeah, the moment you click on login, and then something has to be happened, right?
Mm.
So the request or the control should go to this server, and from here there will be something should be happen here. Then only we will be getting what login page, and once you enter the details, it will ask to register, all those things. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
multiple requests you do send and multiple responses we do get. So as of now, just understand in this simple terms. Okay, I selected another diagram. This one it should be okay. One more. Yeah. Now again here from here this got it. So something is happening here. So what is happening here whenever we are clicking on the link or typing a link? What is happening in the server? Let's understand. So first one. What happens is loading and instantiation. Yes. What is happening?
Mm-hmm.
Loading, loading and instantiation. So what is the meaning of this loading?
Like downloading or
Loading and instantiation means object of a servlet class will get ready. Okay,
okay.
so it means this object is getting ready. My servlet object. Yeah. So this file. So first one in this, what is happening is when server is started. Yeah, when the Tomcat server is started, it means what? Servlet class is loaded. It means servlet class is loaded.
Loaded.
Where in the memory?
Mm,
Yeah, in the memory it is loaded, and servlet object is created. It is when it is happening, loading and instantiation. Yes.
mhm.
Now, second point is loading is done. Yeah, it means what? We have created one object. Okay. So servlet file got created, that object got created here. Now after this, what is the second one? Second one is initialization. Now this initialization, when it happens, when we internally, in which method it will happen? Init method. Init method. Internally it is present. We have seen
Mhm.
that to create a servlet, we have three things. What are those three things? One is interface servlet. Another one is
Inter server.
we have seen one is HTTP servlet.
Yeah.
Another one is
Other one is generic.
correct generic servlet. Yeah, so that two are classes and one is interface. So in interface we have these are the methods internally. So initialization is done with the help of init. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is servlet object will be initialized. If for example, if we have taken any variable int z is equal to 0 or something, so it gets initialized by invoking 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 what? Invoking the init method. Init method is getting invoked. Okay, done. Now when it is invoked, now what happens is third one, request handling appears. Request handling. Now this request, whatever the request is coming, whenever here this is a request is coming here, and then it has to be handled, right? So it means what? This handling, how it is going to handle. So inside this there will be many servlets. So here it is one servlet, it is deployed here another servlet, so many things are there here. Okay, so servlets are many. Okay, so here we have these all are specific to specific request. For example, here it is a login. So login servlet should execute. It means that will get request should go to that login. It should not go to another registration or feedback forms. No, it should go to the login page only. So how to handle the request? That is taken care by service method. Service method. Okay, so here we have service method. Now what it does? So now here it will handle or serve the client request. Yeah, in this phase, so to handle the request, this in this phase, this means what? Service method is invoked. Method will be invoked. Okay, now fourth one. Fourth one is, for example, Now fourth one means now we are done. Now we have to close the server.
Mm.
What we have to do is stop the server. So in that case, we have destroy, and we have destroy method also. Destroy method. Now, what is this destroy method will do when the services is shut down? This method, this method will be executed and servlet object will be deleted. Object will be deleted. Understood?
Okay.
So total, what are we have? Loading and instantiation.
Mm-hmm.
Let me give one line here. Underline. Second one is initialization.
Initialization,
Yeah, initialization. Third one is
handling the request,
yeah, request handling request.
and closing the
Yeah,
shop.
it is destroy. Okay, so it means we are done with the servlet cycle. Got it. Now,
Yeah.
now we will talk about what is XML. Last time I have shown you, right? XML. I think you have noticed or not noticed, but we have done with some servlet mapping or something.
Yeah, but yeah.
So this is, let's understand web dot xml. Web dot xml. What is this web dot xml? It is also known as deployment descriptor file, DDF. Descriptor file. File. Yeah.
Yeah,
Descriptor.
yeah, we did, I think, yeah. I remember
Correct.
something.
So this is known as what? Deployment descriptor file.
Okay.
So what happens here is exactly whenever in this what happens. Okay, the usage. What is the use of this? What is the syntax of this? We'll see. But generally, I'll explain you a few things here. Okay. Now, for example, the client server. Whenever the use is very important here. The use we need to understand. So we are creating this. Why we are creating it? Yes, to
Like,
handle. For
yeah.
example, here I'm just saying here, I wanted to go with a login page. Okay, I wanted to click on the login. So the moment I click on the login, it will directly go and execute the servlet. It will not go directly. It will take the help of .xml file. So in between, it is like working as mediator here. So this file
Mm-hmm.
has to go through. Okay, because from this file only we are mapping whether the pattern, whether the name and the class all are exactly matching. If it is matching, if the request is matching with that, and then the login servlet is there, so in this we will be matching with the name of the class name, whatever the Java file we have created here, that will be going again here, and then it will trigger the servlet here. So there are many servlets. For example, this is registration servlet. This is feedback servlet. This is
Mm-hmm.
login servlet. This is Facebook servlet. This is Instagram servlet. Like that. So now, if I wanted to go for the login servlet, then there will be some configuration. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So that will be helping us to get it into that servlet configurations. So here we have the servlet configuration in this, and just let me write down also. Mm, hmm. So in this servlet configuration, okay. So here we have servlet configuration, and this file is known as .xml web.xml file. Okay, so this is what it's happening whenever the login is there. Login will be getting matched with this. So here we can write in this way. So first, or is this line is first it is going here and it is checking whether everything is there or not. It will check whether the login details it has. Okay, login it has. So login, there will be a login servlet internally, and then this will trigger. For example, if this is a login servlet, it will get triggered and then it will execute. Then will the request will be handled. Yeah, and once the object is created, it will not create always. Then here multi-threading will be working, the service method. Okay, so now let's understand how this file we have to create. So the creation of a file is important here. So let's see here. Now first thing, we have something called web app. What do we have? Web
Back.
app. Yeah, you have seen, I guess, right? In the Eclipse we have web app. For example, demo, and then src main web app. You can see this web app. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Bharat. Screen is visible.
Hello. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you can see this web app, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so in the web app we have many things, like for example, first one we have html, we can write. Second one, JSP. Third one, web inf. In this web inf, we can go with the web.xml. Okay, and there are process for this. How to write this XML? Let's see. First one is here we have tags. This one, and then this is web app. Here we are just closing it. Now in this we have two things here. We have to open and we have to close, right? So for example, I'm just closing here. Web app, web app. So this total is what? Web app from here to here. Okay, and inside this we have few mappings, like we have again servlet mapping here, and then here it is servlet mapping, and we have closing also of it, opening, and this is closing here, closing. Yes, servlet mapping. In this servlet mapping there are two more tags. What are those two more tags? Let's see. Servlet name, servlet name, servlet name. For example, if I'm writing any name here, hi or anything, and then here we are closing it, servlet name. So servlet name is there in this, and another tag is pattern tag, pattern. So the control comes and checks the pattern here, URL dot pattern. Then here, for example, we are writing here my login, my login URL pattern. So how many tags we have in mapping? Yes, Bharat. Hello. Uh, Bharat, you are there? Bharat. 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 Hello. 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 Bharat, where are you? You're there? Bharat.
Hello, I joined from other device. Can you hear me? Something wrong with my device.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was calling you, but you were not responding. So,
Yeah, I was talking that too.
okay, fine. So in web app, how many in servlet mapping? How many tags we have? You can see
Right?
tags, right? One is servlet name. Another one is URL pattern. Yeah. So this is about servlet mapping. Another one is servlet. Another one is servlet. Here it is opening tag, and then closing tag. In this servlet also we have two things. One is servlet name. Already here it is servlet name. It will match from servlet mapping and servlet. Now here it has servlet class.
Mhm.
Servlet class. So in servlet class, what we are writing package name also. Package name dot class name, and then again here we are closing with a servlet class. Okay, this is done. So finally we can conclude that this is a how we can do the structuring of a which file it is XML file.
XML file. Yeah.
Yeah, XML file. So first the control comes into this web app. Once it comes to the web app, it will go into the mapping. In this mapping it will check the name is high. Okay, again it will come to the pattern. Here it is what pattern is my login. Good, it is there my login. Now again it will go with a checking with the same thing in servlet. Servlet is high and both are matching. Good. Now again it will go to the package, and here it is a servlet name itself. And in the servlet name we have written some backend code that will get executed. Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Now one more thing is uh, the note point is in the latest version. In the latest version, it is not compulsory. It is not compulsory to create web.xml file. Okay. Earlier we used to create, means now also we are creating, but it is not compulsory. We got annotations. Nowadays we are using annotations. Understood up to here?
Yes.
Now let's see few more purpose of this XML file. The users. different tasks of web.xml file. What is this different task of web.xml file is? First one is servlet configuration.
Mhm.
Servlet configuration is done by this only, and then JSP, yeah. So this is Java server pages, file configuration, and third one is filters or listeners, welcome file. All those there are so many. Welcome file configuration. Fourth one is listeners configuration, and okay, up to now you just remember this etc, etc. So these are what different tasks of this file. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So now let's create one example. So let's try to do one project on this. Okay, so to understand this in a better way, last time also we created, this time also we are going to create it. Yeah. So you have to
Mhm.
note down each and every step is very important in this. Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's see. First step. What is the first step? I will be just doing this. I wanted you to just try to note down the steps also. Okay. First,
Okay.
what we have to do is we have to go to this. Already in this we have configured. What we have configured? Apache. What is the
Yeah.
Tomcat?
Uh-huh.
Go to the file. In this file, where we have to go, dynamic web project. Click on dynamic web project, and we have to give what name. Yes, and the name we can give anything, whatever you wanted, like a web XML demo, web XML demo. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
once we are doing web XML demo, now here is starting only we can change this because 6.1 it is not working right. On that day also we have seen we can go with the fifth version of this. Now again here next, and after next it is showing me something in this. What it is showing?
Generate web XML deployment descriptor.
Do we need to generate or we should not generate?
No.
No.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah, XML, right? We have to generate this, so we have to
Yeah,
tick mark.
for something we did not check that checkbox firstly. I forgot and I.
Yeah, that is only the web project we have created, right? Only web
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
yeah, yeah.
But with the servlet, we have to do this.
Yes.
So just once you finish, we have finished. It means web XML demo is created. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now to check whether that descriptor file is there or not, we can go here src again main, again here web app, again here web app inf, and web dot xml. Is it created? Yes. See here. Now what we have, web app. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see it. Yes, we have all this. But do we need all this? We don't want all this. So we will keep the main things we will keep, and different things will remove as of now. So what are the different tags we have? We'll keep only web app. Okay. So web app means what are the things we have, like till version. So this still I'm just removing all this. Welcome. Yeah. Yes. So what I have is only this. Yeah. So now here we have something called version at the last. Let's see whether we have or not. Mm, yeah. Yes, version 5.0. Okay. So we have that, and now this is what our XML. Now our XML is having what? Just web app. Okay. Nothing is there. Now we have to write all those things. So up to here you understood, right?
Yeah.
What we have to do in this things, we have to fill all those. Yeah. Now, after this, what we have to do, we need to go with a one web file. So here we are creating a complete project.
Mm.
Now, complete project means what? Front end should be there, back end should be there. Yes. So this is for the back end purpose. Now let's go with a web app. Click on the right click. Next one, create a HTML for the front end. HTML, and here it is a new file. Let's take index HTML. I'm just taking a HTML index.html. Next, and then finish. So this is what I got. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here we have to write, like, for example, if I'm clicking a link, so there should be a link and we have to click it. So in that case, what happens that we need to perform. So how we can do that? We have few tags, like for example, here we have a, yeah, here a. Actually, it should reflect here, and a we have, after this a, we have something like href, href. This is for link. Yeah, in this we are giving a link, my login, my login. Okay, and then here we are giving click me. Okay, so this is what it is, my web page. It is for the front end. Okay, so this is just a small thing I have written, href. By using this, what we can do here, my login page, it should appear something like that. Okay, so for example, if I execute this, what will happen? Let's see here. Run as run on server Java application. So let me run this on application. Index HTML modified is still save. Next, finish. Selection cannot be run on any server. The selection. Okay, we have done something right on that day. Properties, face set. Yeah, we have done what? Okay, this is we already have done. Fine. Okay. Apply and close. Now, this is what I tried, but it is giving me error. But anyhow, what you have to understand from here is this is my front end. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is my front end. But at the back end, I need to create a server. How to create a server? Let's see. So for to create a server, Java resources, where you have to go to the Java resources, and src main we have, right? You can see here src main.
Yeah.
So tag on that, click on that, and then go with the class. Okay, create a class. Now, what is the? It is asking for a package name. So we can give what package name. Package name is what? Backend. Backend. Yeah, that's it. And what is the
Okay.
name? What is the name we can give here? Okay, this is not backend. Package name is backend, right? Here it is backend. We can give here like in dot backend, in dot backend. Okay, we should not use in. For example, in dot servlet backend, like EAC backend. Okay, and here I need to give the name of a, what is name? I, for example, login. So my servlet name is what? Login, and the package name is in dot backend. Got it? Now finish. This is here we are going to write the backend code here. Okay, so this is my backend I have done here. Now in this, how to write this code, I have already told you what we have to do. Three things I told you, right? Three ways we can do. One is implementing the interface. Another one is extending the generic servlet. Yes. Another one is what?
Generic.
Another one is extends
Yeah,
HTTP, right?
excellent.
Extend HTTP servlet. Servlet. Okay. So it is giving me some error here. So what is the error? Let's see. And if it is asking us to import anything, we'll import. So just keep the cursor here, and it is asking to import. So I imported. Yeah. So that file got imported now. Now what we have to do is we have to use some do get method, right? Last time we have done, I guess, do post, or we can go with a service method. So let's see here what we can go with. Service or is add class login. So for example, if I'm writing here do actually it should get, we have to get the, yeah, auto pop-up should be there. Now here SCR servlet these methods like because it has to access, we have to access, right? The request has to be handled. So how the request is going to be handled? By using service method here. Yeah, we can do with a do post also, but let's go with a service method. So how we can do with this service method? We have service. In this service, we have directly, actually it should pop up. Uh, I have to check the command for that. Control add serial. Hmm. Okay, fine. I will write the code then totally. Void and then service. In this void service, again we have two things. One is request, one is again response. So HTTP HTTP servlet request. HTTP servlet request, and then the object. This is what a variable, the reference request, comma, and then same thing here, but it is response here. So I'm just copying this, copy, and then paste it here. Here it is. Here it is response. Response. You can able to see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm making it a little smaller. Zooming out. Hmm.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, fine. So, so now what I need to do here is, because I'm writing everything manually, it should auto pop up. So here void service, and here we have two parameters. Import. Okay, we have to import this also. Then and then yeah. Actually, what is the class? This, right? This is a method. So method means here we have to write this bracket. Otherwise, it will be giving error. So this is done. Now here, will it work directly? No, because we need to. What we have to do? We need to handle the exception also, right? So what we have to do here is throws Here it is HTTP servlet request and then request, comma HTTP servlet. It should not be request. Already this we have copied, but we have not edited it. A response it is response. Okay. See here. Import the response. Response also got imported. Now, yeah. What it is saying, cannot reduce the visibility. Yeah, it is inherited. So we are inheriting from that. So it means we have to change it to the protected. See, yeah, we cannot directly go with void. Void means what? Directly public it is by default. Now everything is all good. Now we have to also what we have to do is we need to handle the exception. For example, if there is any exception, how to handle that? So to handle it, we are using what throws. Or for example, let's see. Up to now, we did not got any error here. It's fine. Now system CISO. Yeah. So what I can write here is I'm in service method. For example, we can go with this. I am in where I'm in service method. Okay. And yeah, definitely I need to handle the exception. Throws directly I'm giving out exception. Throws exception. Okay, fine. But it is again giving me the error. What is that error? Remove. It said here. What is the error I'm getting here? Okay. Remove exception from service. Exception is not compatible throws. Okay, exception. Let me write here servlet exception. Servlet exception should have access this. Mm, mhm. Import exception also I need to import. Or else I can remove this only exception. Okay. Servlet exception I'm giving. And also I need to give what IO exception also, comma IO. Because input output also sometimes it will cause exception. Yeah, again it is also giving error because I need to import that also. Import.
Mm-hmm.
IO exception also I imported. Everything is got getting imported. Yeah. Now what I need to do is I need to yeah finally let's see whether it is working or not. After that we'll make some changes. But as of now, my this code is ready. But will it work? So if it is working or if it is not working, how we can understand? Here I
We
have
can.
written
We should.
this is yeah
Yeah.
this is what my login page here, like internally code it is. This is a backend code and this is index. This is what this is the front end, this is back end, and this is what in the between. Here we have not given any, like this is okay, login is fine, but here what we have written my login. So let me make it as login. Okay, so it is here login, and then click me will appear on the browser. Okay, and this one is but here for this back end and the front end, is there any connection? Not connection. Connection is there?
No.
Connection is not there. Okay, so now what we have, we can go with the index, and then we can go with the web XML. Where is web XML here? Yeah. So we can just we are trying to execute this and just check here. So total project here, total project is web XML, and then run as Java application. So just we are running as what? Java application.
Application.
Application. If I'm running as a Java application, now what happens? It is asking me to some yeah. So what is the meaning of this? What I need to do now here? Eclipse or integration, Eclipse compiler. We need to run on server actually, right? We are using this, so we need to try to remove the first, whatever the first is there, and then we have to run this. So okay, what we'll do is we go with again run on server. So what it is saying, index.html has been modified, but it is still open somewhere else with the identical changes. Okay, don't save. Login, save, and then
Next.
and then you have to remove all those, like whatever we are not using, which one we are using, that we have to do. So which one we are going with this now? Servlet demo, remove. The first servlet demo, remove. Text of Tomcat, as of now, remove. This one is there, right? So WebEx now configured. Okay, I'm not removing this. Back. Next. Finish. Are you sure you want to remove sources from a server? Okay. And then, yes, what I got, what I got actually.
Like
So,
it's a
so
format
I got,
for
so it means my server has run successfully. Yes or no?
yeah. Yeah,
Server has
Apache Tomcat
success.
has run successfully.
Yeah, it is running successfully, but the problem here is I have not configured.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so configuration is missing. So my server is running all good, very nice. But here I'm just getting a problem. What is the
Mm-hmm.
problem? The problem is web XML demo is not available. The origin server is not finding anything. Okay, so let me check once again what is the problem here. Let's see here once, index, is it, the code is all correct. Login, click me. Actually, whenever I'm running, I should get this one, then only it is like it is working fine. I mean, I can say that. So well, the console is here. I just wanted to stop it. Stop. Fine. Now let's try to execute once again here. Run run on server. Next. Okay, we don't have anything here, right, to run.
Mm-hmm.
That is the reason. Now again here, run run on server, Tomcat. Next. Yeah, now we have this configured web XML. Finish. Are we getting? No, right?
No.
Yeah, there is a problem. What is the problem is status report, the requested resource is not available. Web XML demo is not available. The origin server did not find the current representation target. Okay. So it means it is not able to find the current one. Now see. Hmm. Okay, let me again not delete, stop. And do I need to include something more? I guess run on server, Tomcat. Next, testing of Tomcat is not available. Okay, I need to click. XML is required and cannot be removed from a server. Okay, so if I'm clicking means it is thinking that I'm removing it, right?
Mm.
For example, if I'm getting back, okay, always use this server when running this project. Okay. Next, actually the problem is it is saying web XML is not required to is required to and cannot be removed from a server. So we are not removing it for move resources to the right side to configure them on. Okay. They are on right side only, right? Add again here, add all. Now let's try to execute. But again, it is saying web XML is required. Fine. Let's try this once again. Okay.
Same thing.
Same error, right? Actually,
Same.
I should get a local host. This is okay 8083 web XML and then demo. Mhm. So I need to check once again how we can do this. Uh, mm, okay, let me add this. Have you installed this one? I mean to say
No,
this Tomcat.
no, I'll do it today, Tomcat.
Yeah, you have that video, I guess, right?
But last video, 30th day, I didn't have anything. But
Uh,
yeah, the previous one I do have, I think.
okay, the previous one. I think from the servlet we have everything run on server. Sorry, not this. Uh, I need to stop. Let me stop this. Somewhere we are making some mistake. Run as server. Okay, it is not giving me the option to check that all those. Here, run as. Let's restart this once. Here it is restarting. Server is getting restarted, right? So it means it is not able. It is not able to check whether what is getting restarted. Means this project is not under that. That is the issue we are getting. Hmm. So once again, I will check this. Let me close the console. This is exactly correct. Click me here. Everything is fine. Login page, uh, and then web. This is not a problem here. I just wanted to see this click me option on the browser. So for that, I'm checking here. Run on server. Okay, directly it is showing. Yes, got it. You got it right. Finally,
Yeah,
well, you can see.
yeah, click me.
Yeah, actually, what we have to do is, I'm just closing all this. For example, let me close this also here, and then on this page you have to click, and
Yeah,
then server run on server. I got it. Perfect. So it is working good. So what? But what is this? It is my what we can say. This is my request. My request is if I click here, something should happen. Something means what? Whatever I have written in the back end logic, I am in the service method that should appear, right? Yes or no? That should be appearing on the web browser or it will be appearing in the in this console itself. Okay, getting or not?
yeah.
So whenever this is a request, client will click on this and there should be some backend things should happen. So in that case, let me click here. Yeah, when I'm clicking, what is happening? Error. Yes. Why I'm getting error? Can you tell me? Because did we have configured that XML file? Yes. XML file we have not configured. So that is the
Okay.
reason we are getting, that is the reason we are getting error. So for example, if I configure the XML file, then I will not get any error. Understanding?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So in between, client, whenever we have a client is sending one request, yeah. See here, for example, here, uh, this is login, and then this is login Java here. So I'm just asking why I'm not getting this. I'm in service method. So whenever the client is clicking on this back, if I'm clicking on this click me, uh, what happens? There should be XML file. I said right. This is acting as a mediator, but it is not at all configured directly. It is not having any connection between this and this. You think like login is there, right? We can go with no, like that it doesn't happens. Okay, so this is a different servlet, and that is just a login. So for this, what we have to do is we have to go to this XML, and what we can do in this XML, just now I have told you, right, in XML file what we have to do. What is the first step?
Yeah.
XML
Sorry.
file. In the XML file, what I said in this, I have told you clearly. In this servlet, servlet mapping is there, right? Mapping. Yeah, in this servlet mapping, again in the servlet mapping also we have two things. What are those?
Oh God. Just.
URL pattern,
Uh-huh.
URL pattern. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Now
There are two.
in URL pattern, what is this pattern? Login. Okay. Just I'm giving a name login, and one more pattern, one more tag is there. What is the tag? Servlet name. Okay, servlet
Mm-hmm.
name. Here it is. Servlet name. So servlet name we can keep, for example, yumlog, anything, yumlog, and then that is. So we are done with what? Mapping. Servlet mapping is done. Now what is the next tag we have? Servlet mapping is done here. Yes. Next one is servlet. Servlet. Here it is. First we need to, what we have to do? We have to close it, right? It is inside the mapping. Mapping is
Mm-hmm.
closed. Now let's go with the servlet. Servlet is here. Yeah. Now in servlet also we have two tags. What are those? Yeah, one is same like name, servlet name here. Another one is what? Yes, another one is what? What is another one? Servlet class, right?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, servlet class. No, servlet name. Anyhow, I have written that, and then servlet. Yeah, servlet. It should auto pop up. Is not servlet. Servlet class. Yeah. So in this class, what I said, what is the name we have to write in the class? In the class, we have to index, like we have to write this backend full name, like with the package name. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
package name in dot backend. Now after that dot class, yeah, in dot backend, and then class name. What is the class name here? Dot.
Dot.
In this, what is the class name we have?
Log.
Login. So where we have to write that login here, web dot login. Okay, in dot backend, in dot backend dot login. Got it. So here what we have done, we have configured now. What we have configured, our web app. Got it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now once we have configured this, now what we need to do is we need to once again we have to run this, run on the server, and we have to run the Tomcat also. Now let's see what is happening here. Will it work or not? So simply we have to click on the login. Let's see how it is working or not. So let's go with this. Run on the server. Continue without restarting. The server may need to be restarted. Do you want to restart or okay? Mm, yeah, again it is giving me the same error. Fine. Mm, wait, where is the index page? This is the index page. This is Java index. Okay. For example, if I'm running like this only directly, I'm getting click me yes. Now
Mm-hmm.
I made some changes, right? Yeah. Any error I'm getting?
No.
Just I clicked. I'm not getting any error. See here. I'm in service method. Successfully working.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. See
Yeah.
here. What I have written is I am in service method. Now it is working successfully. Yeah. Very successfully it is working. Now this is our project. This is the main project. But I wanted to get this I am in service method on this. Can we do that? It's working or not? Means what is the meaning
So
of this? The meaning is web.xml we have not created. Now the moment the client is clicking on the login, so it means what is happening here? The name is matching. Again here the pattern is getting matched. Login. Now after that again this name and this name is matching, and then again it is going to where it is linked up with the servlet. It is getting back to the servlet, and in this package and then login, and then it is coming to this. The control comes into the servlet page, and then it will execute this. Yeah.
mm-hmm.
Now last time in the last class I have shown you how to print on the web browser. So what is the last class tx like day 30
Yeah.
30. So what exactly we have written? This is override. We have written generic server. That's it. Huh? My servlet. Okay, I think it is in the above. URL pattern. This one, right? Yes. This is the code. Print out.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. This is the code here. Print writer. Import the writer. Imported. What is this? Res dot response dot right? Response, because we are using that response, and login. So here for example if I wanted to go with your login is successfully done, you have successfully logged in. Yeah. Now let's execute this. Now get back to this index, run as, restart, done. Yeah. Now from here I'm just clicking it. What is happening? Are we getting?
Yes.
You have successfully logged in. How I'm getting this, that is important. This is the response given from the server. This server here, web is there,
Mm.
web.xml. This is getting, yeah, with the help of this we are able to link to this to what, to this servlet. This is not a normal class, this is servlet class. So we are linking this total in web xml dot xml, and this is my front end, this is my front end, this is my back end, and this is a between it is working. Understood? So we have successfully built our own project. Actually it is, so login we can see login details also by using all those, but this is just a small page we can able to do successfully logged in. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I wanted you to just watch this video, today's video. Within few hours, sir will send the link of this video. Watch this totally.
Yeah, I should ask him the 30th day link also. Yeah.
38th day now. Okay. So
Yeah,
we have,
will it be like it will be there, right? Like the 30th days, like won't be vanished, right?
if it is if we have taken what it's called the subscription, then it will be there, or else 14 days, only 14 days time will get a for free one. So once you check, if I have even, I will also check if I have, or I will ask him. So this is what completely one small project actually. Okay, logged in. We are just we are here. It is why I'm saying it is small project. Why? Because we have front end. What is the front end? This part. By using this, we are using what, click me. For example, if I'm using here Bharat, Bharat. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Run on the server. What it is saying? Okay, it's already running, right? Let me close this. Stop. Index. Run on the server. Index file has been modified, but it is still running somewhere. Closing this will not lose. Let me see. God, it is not giving me Bharat, means it means what, it is different one it is running, I guess. Click me, control 50. Let me, yeah, you can see here. I just refreshed it. Yeah,
Yeah, Bharat.
yeah. The moment I clicked in, means you have successfully logged in. So instead of that, you can also try this, like anything name here. So whenever I will discuss about HTML, few HTML concepts I will teach you.
Uh-huh.
Then at the time I will brief you about what are these tags are and how they are useful. But as of now, you just remember that this is href for links. Got it? So
Mm.
we have done today total. We have done this project. I don't know like what to send. I will send. I will just let me make a note. Where is this notes? Here it is, right? Okay. Not this. 31st is this. Yeah. So yeah. What I can, I will send you the codes here. A small project on servlet. Okay. Now first one what we have done here, web XML. Okay, index. So HTML, front end, front end. Yeah, this code is done. Front end is done. Second one is backend. Second one is backend means servlet class. Now let me log in page. Yeah. Okay. Second one is done. Third one. What is third one? Third one is web.xml, means it is
Mm-hmm.
connecting the front front end to back end. We can say that, and I will paste in this two lines. This one, web.xml. Now, yes, everything is done. Login is done. Yeah. So now what is your homework? Your task is you have to create a login page. So it has to give me the option to enter my name, and once it is giving me the login page, and then we can go with the successful. If you can search it on the chat GPT or anything, it will be giving you, just you have to modify this index part. Okay.
Okay.
It will be giving the fields to enter the name, the fields to enter a few details. Once we have entered, we can one register, so we can click like that, we can make that, we'll do that. So I wanted you to just give a try once. Okay. And that's it. So see, this project is always here.
Mm-hmm.
Always it will be like Bharat, and then I will click on Bharat and it will give me this. See, this is what application we have created. So a button, clicking on a link, and we are getting it. So small project. I wanted you to, you don't go with any other bigger project. Do this one first. Okay. For this, I guess you will be getting few errors. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, try this. Once you watch this complete video, no, then definitely you can.
Actually, first I should do the Tomcat, and I should do these things.
Actually, you have to do. Acha, Tomcat. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that is a server, right? Because without
Yeah.
that, yeah, yeah. So that's it. I prepared the notes for today also. I will share it to sir.
Okay.
Any doubts you
Well,
have?
I needed the recorded videos as well. I don't know who will having that, you or him.
You can ask him, na, directly. He will be
Yeah,
sending
okay.
it.
I thought you will be recording, so you can save that. I don't know that he's having. Okay.
No, I am not recording. This is completely sir is sending. So
Okay. I got.
okay. And anything else, Bharat?
No, not today. Like
Actually, lot of puja and all are there. So I will check with him, and tomorrow also same time we can connect. If we can connect, I will let him know.
if not, that's fine. Yeah.
So like Thursday to tomorrow, and okay, 2 days I will take Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and okay, 1 or 2 days. One day I can guarantee. It again depends on the situation. You know, we are in at home. Colony members they come and they do ask us to join in the puja. We can't say no also. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So Bharat, okay, any doubts you have? First you try to do. You get the doubts, then you ask me. Okay, now. And this video is getting recorded, so this is going to be very much helpful for you. Because now we have entered into the projects zone. Definitely very much mistakes we are going to make, many things more we are going to learn. So start
Mm.
doing mistakes, make mistakes.
Okay.
Okay, Bharat, then have a good day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.